How to style puffer jackets? Puffer jackets, due to their bulky structure, often make the upper body appear more prominent. To balance this look and turn it into a chic outfit, it is recommended to pair puffer jackets with fitted and body-hugging bottoms. This combination creates a harmonious and stylish appearance. Bottom options, slim-fit pants, leggings, and pencil skirts are great choices to complement puffer jackets, giving a fabulous overall look. Even if slim-fit options aren't your style, sweatpants can also pair beautifully with puffer jackets for a casual yet trendy appearance. Skirts, pencil skirts, particularly mini ones, work wonderfully with puffer jackets, providing a balanced and fashionable silhouette. Pairing a fitted skirt with a puffer jacket ensures both proportionality and elegance. Footwear, you can complete your skirt ensemble with opaque tights and ankle boots, adding a sophisticated flair to your outfit. Sporty looks. For sporty outfits, short puffer jackets can be styled with black, figure-hugging leggings, while long puffer jackets can be paired with relaxed yet chic light-toned sweatpants, focusing on comfort without compromising on style. Shoes, white sneakers are a popular choice for puffer jacket combinations. Additionally, colorful and shiny sneakers matching your jacket can add a vibrant touch to your look. Puffer jackets and boots. Footwear is an essential element when styling puffer jackets. While sneakers are a perfect match, boots can also elevate your puffer jacket look. With pants, when pairing puffer jackets with boots, ensure your pants complement the overall color scheme. Fitted pants and sleek yet simple boots in matching tones create a stylish, cohesive outfit. With skirts, pairing puffer jackets with mini skirts or pencil skirts, along with opaque tights and elegant boots, can transform your outfit into a chic and aesthetic ensemble. Styling puffer jackets based on colors. Choosing the right color palette for your puffer jacket is crucial for creating harmonious and well-coordinated outfits. Matching complementary colors ensures your look is visually appealing and balanced. White puffer jackets, combine with mini backpacks, rain boots, sneakers, silver accessories, black or gray jeans, and colorful sweaters for a fresh and stylish outfit. Black puffer jackets, pair with small black handbags, chic ankle boots, fitted leggings, and light-toned tops such as blouses, sweatshirts, or sweaters to create a sophisticated look. Red puffer jackets, match with pencil skirts or mini skirts and opt for boots as your footwear. Choose tops that balance the vibrancy of red without overwhelming the outfit, enhancing the lively tone of the red jacket with a complementary bottom. Green puffer jackets, opt for light-toned pieces for a cohesive look. Pair with simple sneakers, gray sweatpants, and a turtleneck sweater for a clean, stylish outfit.